Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to chat about how to automatically set a form's location as the student's school. This is a useful trick for institutions that use a travel portal with a dedicated high school visit template. For build today, we're going to look at the back end of the event template itself and click into the field School Name. We can see that this is being set by a default value formula. Clicking into the location export, we can see a join to form and then the export of form location. This means that when a student goes to register for a visit advertised at a particular school, Slate will assume that the student attends that school. It is almost like an enhanced version of query string parameters, but it does assume that the student is registering for the appropriate visit. For the second part of the build, we're going to look at the similarly structured field for CEEB code. We can once again see a default value formula, and clicking into it shows that we have joined to form again, but we have selected instead the export of form location record key. That helps to make sure that the school and the CEEB code are both being properly stored and tracked within Slate. The final school-related field on this form doesn't rely on a formula, but just to show that for the ease of the student, we have pre-selected high school as the level of study because we know that this template is meant to be used publicly on a high school visit travel portal. I hope that this helps to streamline your high school visit registrations.
The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.